Anyway, welcome to the channel today everyone. We're at Swanage Seafront and we're going to take a tour around the town. Enjoy the video. Now this place here is a nice bar you can have a drink in on the seafront. Lovely. And we had some breakfast here as well once when we come down here, and it's absolutely amazing. You should try it. It's called the Brook Tea Rooms, and that's it just there. Look it up. Brook Tea Rooms. You have some fantastic breakfast there, and hopefully it'll be fantastic for you as well. Anyway, Kane, I'm walking up the seafront. Yeah, I would like to drop down on them rocks. Yeah, so that's the Brook Tea Rooms just there, as you can see, and we've got a theatre just next to it. Yeah, nice to have a nice stroll up the seafront today. After struggling to park my car. Nothing worse. Well, I can hear music. We'll have a look down here in a minute. Have a look at the seafront from here. Swanage Heritage Centre, and some information there for you. Anyway, let's carry on up the seafront. He's not a bad singer at all, to be honest. Not a bad singer. I'm not sure if I'll be able to put that in the video, but I did stop the video and do it separately. So we'll soon see if we get any copyright issues. If not, I'll put it in the video. Nice man, seems nice. Minding his own business. Oh, the waves are a bit rough here. Woohoo! Look at those waves. Crashing. It was rough down here last time as well. Well, it's sort of a friendly seas today. Friendlier seas than it was before. So what an amazing seafront this is. I ain't walked all the way up this one. Never walked up all the way last time. Yeah, so you got some a bar there. G White's Bar. Maybe you should try that when you come down here. Truffles, prawns, shellfish, and a beer. And burgers, pizza, mussels, seafood, everything. And you got the ice cream place next door to it. This is at the top end of Swanage Seafront, this is. And Yeah. Yeah, so look at that for a view.
No, it just
Smell the fish, the sea, the seaweed, the fresh seaweed coming in. Lovely smell. Lovely smell. Pebbly Beach down this one. It looks like there's some other stuff further up the top we can have a look at. I didn't walk all the way up here last time because it's absolutely, my hands are absolutely freezing. It weren't the best of days, it was quite cold but sunny. But we'll have a look up here now. And then we'll go and have a walk through the town centre. Charges apply. Yeah, so back with the singer again, just up there. It's a fish place, we'll have gorgeous fish and chips here, looks like it, looks nice. Yeah, plenty of shops and bags. Some of the shops. They're all mainly gift shops and stuff you can buy when you're on holiday. All these sort of shops along there. You've got some more over here. That's a shop we used to have in Weymouth, a Wimpy, but that disappeared. Yeah, so we're going to walk towards the train station now, the bus station, or the Swanage Railway, and we'll see what we can do along there. Have a look at what's going on. Another fish and chips over there. Harley's. Looks very nice. Very enough to make you hungry. I think there's the seafront just over there. And quite a few people around now in the town. And nice to see everybody out enjoying the sunshine while it's here. Birds and bits. Birds and bits. Bits and bobs. Yeah, so if you're going to be staying anywhere local, like Weymouth or Corfe or Wareham, camping, you want to come down to Swanage for the day, get down here and get the train. It's well worth the trip. On the Swanage Railway. I might cross over. No, I think I'm going to carry straight up here. Carry on straight up. I think it's easier to cross the road over towards the train station. Anyway, thanks for watching this short video of Swanage Seafront and the town. If you want to see the Swanage Railway, I'll leave a link down in the description for you and on screen. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.